setter also na medyo naging steady. So I think talagang sumugal na dito si Coach Sandy in order to surprise also syempre yung kalaban nila.
Bacoor gets on the board first. Ariola, bigay kay Bebang Ocado. Good pickup by Veruchao. Romo, pinadaan sa ibabaw ng blockers. Ocado naman! Diniin sa dalawang blockers dito.
Consistent din itong Bacoor.
Oh yeah, the upset
Mhm.
nasipit and then follow that up rather with that 4-set win against San Juan. 3-1 is our tally. Almeniana also.
Happened also last game. Ocado was already playing for the opposite side.
Winnie Bedanya with a great swing there.
You can see nag-iba rin talaga tong energy ng Bacoor.
5-2 Bacoor in front of this raucous crowd inside the Perpetual Gym in Las Piñas. Rhea Manalo gets denied.
Nag-lock sa kanila.
Manalo, this time, naitawid niya yung bola doon.
Seams of the receivers kasi talagang they have to be consistent in this department. Also, stable net and floor defense in order to keep their streak going. Also, last one, low.
Starting for the first time para dito sa Bacoor City. Veruchao, bigay kay Rhea ulit. Covered well by Lozano. The reverse set, Bebang Ocado sumugod. They've been going exclusively to Rhea Manalo. At ngayon, nababasa na ng Bacoor.
Then she flicked her hand going out na din kaya sobra na talaga yung angle niya doon.
At doon naman, bumawi agad yung kapitana. Bebang Ocado. Picked up by Babol. Romo, the adjust. Bebang. Pumayong sana si Gabarda pero lumabas yung bola.
Flipped it to the right so it would go off the block.
Russell Aldea. Romo on the right side. Bebang will try again and this time she won't be denied.
Look at the energy Bacoor has.
Ariola sa kabila. Bebang. Uy, pasok yun.
Ocado.
That sabi niya, masayang-masaya daw siya dahil na-bless siya ni Lord sa panalo. Sinabi nga daw niya, Lord, sana lang manalo kami sa game na to, sa quarterfinals, at kahit hindi na sa beauty pageant. But despite that, sabi niya, laking tuwa, pati ba naman yung beauty pageant na panalunan niya. Tuwang-tuwa daw siya dahil laking blessing ito sa pangarap niya maging isang international model. At tinanong ko siya, may balak ba siya mag-Miss Universe? Sabi niya, hindi naman daw. It just so happens that beauty pageants have always been part of her passions in life. Balik sa inyo, Ken and Gaira.
Such a good story coming from Nico Aaron and si Russell Aldea, no? Natunghayan natin siya, guy, here last Thursday. Nakita natin yung focus niya sa laro despite that lingering pageant that she had to attend to. Pero bonus pa, no? Still 7 points, though, ang kalamangan ng Bacoor. Almeniana had to adjust. Sapin, bagong pasok. Binigyan agad si Bedanya. Joust at the net. Won by Winnie. Yeah.
So it's very surprising na hindi pa ginagamit ng both teams pero may mga reklamo sila on the net.
Ito, Shai Omipon na ipasok yung bola doon para sa Bacoor. So, unti-unti talaga silang lumalayo dito. You know, the surprising thing is, hindi rin naman ganun kasama yung laro ng Caloocan. It's just that Bacoor is just playing on a whole. The AM Spikers. Combination play, Krisha Cordero. Trying to use her left hand. Shai Omipon. Susubok ulit. Oh, what a hit coming from Shai Omipon. Dahil dyan, panalo ang Bacoor. 25-15, set number 2 in just a bit. Congratulations as well to Russell Aldea. Talagang mapapasana all ka na lang, nanalo ng budget. Yes, last Thursday.
course, very bagay kay Russell to eh.
And I won't mention his name, his or her name. Ito, simula na ng set number 2, Caloocan. Gustong bumawi dito again. Gaira, right on cue.
Bacoor nila ang Caloocan and pinaghandaan.
2-0. And, you know, I gotta go back to the aftermath of their game against Marikina as Russell Aldea scores once again for Bacoor. Doon, 4-2.
Good set by Umipon.
Ocado gets it para dito sa strikers.
The setters have to activate also all their hitters.
Caloocan, maganda yung execution doon ni Peruchao at Gabarda
Gabor
para dito sa Bacoor City. Peruchao had to adjust her set.
Good play and good adjust.
Rhea Manalo, pinadaan sa kamay ni Winnie Bedanya. Rinig na rinig mo yung lutong sa palo na yon. Rhea Manalo. Just pounding it over. Ving Dapol here. Kasi nga, nag-injure siya in that second set nung nakalabay Lane Negros. As Rhea Manalo again zooming in and scoring para dito sa Caloocan.
Ready in front of her. And good target on the serve.
He's starting to heat up. Rhea Manalo. Romerosa. Umipon. Naihabol pa ni Romo. Itatawid ni Manalo. Free ball for Bacoor. Combination play! Good job by Babol! But Shai Umipon puts it away. 12. The reverse set. Romerosa.
Good
Boy
save.
Pambola. Romo challenging the blockers there. Bebang. Be up by Romo from the back. Ariola bigay kay Almeniana, drills it.
Almeniana has been playing really well. Went up against Negros. After the game, nakipaglokohan pa si Coach Sandy with the coaches also of Negros. Sabi niya kamukhang kamukha daw ni Cordero si Rayan Cañete.
Really?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And then they have a picture.
Trisha Cordero.
Good save.
Naitawid niya yung bola doon.
1-2
Mirales. Woo!
play. Mirales finds a spot.
2015. Veruchao gives it. Rhea Manalo drills that one. Sometimes you just replay the point after a challenge. Rhea Manalo. Lakas ng patama niya dun. But good job by Almeniana with a dig. Christine Mirales with a running attack. Signature non-lead.
They have been consistently lamang dito sa game na to. Oh! No entry! Again! Coming from Bacoor.
6-point lead. Gabarda finds a seam and deep in that corner.
Blockings.
Good serve. Wow! Service ace.
Very, very sharp.
Veruchao again. Although talagang naghahabol lang sila dito, hindi rin naman nila tuluyang pinalalayo itong Bacoor.
Yes, their fighting spirit finally coming alive.
Another one! Woo!
Back-to-back aces by Sara Veruchao. Umipon for that play in the middle.
Tatlo na lang. Nahabol dito ng Caloocan. Wow! That was an awesome play coming from Bacoor.
Their eyes.
Set point, Bacoor. Romo able to get that one through.
Line right now as Bacoor is at set point.
Yeah, trying to keep Caloocan alive here. Sharp serve. Veruchao, saan siya pupunta? Sa gitna, Romerosa. Net touch laban sa Bacoor.
Caloocan now.
Almeñana.
Good defense from Manalo.
Sara, bigay kay Romerosa. Covered well by Umipon.
Long rally here as it is a chance for Caloocan.
Crucial juncture here. Romo. Lozano, the up, papunta kay Bebang Ocado. With the help of the net, gets that one to go!
Ocado all smiles because she knew she had a little help there. But you know, a point is a point as they get this.
Bacoor winning set number 2, 25-22. You can see Caloocan has settled down a bit. And you know what? Itong Caloocan, their record, nakikita natin was 3-6, but that doesn't show right now. You saw there Romo getting that in para dito sa AM Spike. 6-3. Oh,
What
the
to
tip.
play! Wow, Ariola. Coach Sandy gave a number to Dapsy Dapol. So will we see her here in the third set?
Actually, she's in uniform right now. And stretching it out.
To beat advantage.
And kung sakali, if Bacoor gets in, we'll see a rematch of the NCAA Season 98 semifinals. Although, syempre, iba naman nire-represent nila dito as Rhea Manalo scores para dito sa Caloocan.
Manalo, the lone scorer right now.
Here.
And Dapsy Dapol is now on the court. Oh, Mipon!
Shy Umipon. Ariola with the serve. Yeye Gabarda.
Still alive, good save. Lozano sends it over.
Chance here for Caloocan. Combination play. They reload. Yeye gets it to go. I think originally when I talked to Coach Sapin, their assistant coach, he told me na ito si Dapsy Dapol, they were thinking that she wasn't gonna get cleared to play for this.
Pero you know, knowing Dapol, she's just gonna power through the pain and do the best for her squad.
Ganda nun. Kaya alam, nabuhay pa ng Caloocan, playing much, much better. But, Bebang Ocado, second serving is good. Reverse set, running attack, Mirales. Well-timed there. Again, they go with that running attack for Tin.
Again, another chance ball.
Good block, Winnie Bedania with emphasis.
Of
Serve hailing from Lucena City. All smiles. Fresh off her birthday. Ooh, Rhea Manalo swooping in for the kill. NCAA MVP. Manalo gets it to go.
Manalo as she smiled after that hit kasi
Sapin. Humingi si Shai. Drills it. Ramdam mo yung impact niya sa laro eh. 15 all. Caloocan try to hold on. Rhea Manalo. Buhay pa. Barely though.
of course Bacoor memorizes the dimension of this court.
Alam mo si Rhea Manalo talagang hindi pa dadaig dito. They are
Very, very strong front line.
Gabarda puts that one home.
Of course, steps.
Alam mo, for Bacoor kasi kalat yung scoring
Yes.
nila, no?
Oh,
Ooh,
Gabarda! This girl, her fighting spirit.
Here. And he knows the more that this match goes, it's gonna swing over. Yung momentum, no, will swing over to the side of Caloocan. And now, 4 straight points.
With an error.
Good one again. Dapol, oh, left it short. Ariola, naitawid. Romo, good block.
Want
I
to
think-
play again.
I think naka-adjust na si Caloocan sa blocking
Yes.
nitong Bacoor.
Nagagawa na ng paraan.
And like just like that, you
And
saw there,
Yes, Romerosa made a way to
just fighting back in front of this raucous crowd inside Perpetual. Ariola, bigay kay Dapol. That's gotta go out. And Caloocan extends this one. Omipon. And now interesting that Almeñana ang magsa-start dito. Players in Romo and Mirales contributing para dito sa Caloocan. Sapin. Pumatong doon si Bebang Ocado.
That was such a good play. Very, very tight in the middle.
Ito, pagkakataon para sa mga nakaputi. Romo sumugod. Nandoon na naman ang block. The-adjust. Sapin, reverses it. Papunta kay Bebang Ocado!
Her favorite spot, that down the line hit. Demeanor.
Rhea Manalo off the block. Sapin, tinawid ulit kay Almeñana. Rhea just challenging Bedanya and Sapin. 5.
Yes, you have two spikers in the front row.
Almeñana gets it in para dito sa strikers. We'll now head to our... Shai will try. Pero Chow, bigay kay Manalo.
Oh, that's still alive.
Rhea. Second serving is good.
Manalo.
Oh, tama ka dun. Si Bebang Ocado, sumulpot. This time, nag-cross court si Romo.
Something different.
Oh, Shai Omipon detonating!
Consistent. Omipon on the service line.
Romo, andoon si Omipon. Bebang.
Good defense.
Romo, napayungan ni Russell.
That was a good block from Razel Aldea. Point lead.
7-2 run for Bacoor. Good block. Susubok muli si Romerosa. Nandoon si Almeñana. Bebang Ocado scores!
Coach Sandy has so many weapons here in Bacoor. You have Omipon, you have
Kenan Gyra, left ankle sprain ang naitamo ni Razel Aldea ng Bacoor City Strikers. Sabi niya, 1 foot landing lang daw, kaya siya na-sprain. But sabi niya, naayos lang daw niya.
Soon as nakita niyang ika-ika na si Russell, inilabas na niya. Ito, match point for Bacoor.
Oh!
And that does it!
There we go. We have Bacoor with this 4-set win.
Unang-una po, maraming salamat po sa Perpetual Community, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin. Sa Bacoor Strikers po, kay Mayor Strike, kay Boss Dennis, kay Sir Alta po, kay Sir Anton. Hello po sa family ko sa